Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Caribbean Airlines on the verge of closing down. Now, as you remember, Air Jamaica, the national airline of Jamaica, merged or formed into Caribbean Airlines. So the planes no longer fly as Air Jamaica, and Air Jamaica is basically closed down. And Caribbean Airlines took over the planes, took over the routes, and now they are in serious problems. And according to the Prime Minister of Trinidad, Caribbean Airlines is a Trinidadian airline now. Not one route that Caribbean Airlines flies is profitable. According to the report, the planes are full, the planes are flying, but they're not making a profit. So they are on the verge of closing down. So guys, let me ask you a question. Do you think it's time for Air Jamaica to come back? Jamaica is doing very well in tourism, but to get the tourists here, they have to fly. Now with JetBlue in serious financial problems, JetBlue is another major carrier out of the US. They operate a lot of routes to Jamaica from various US cities. There are billions of dollars in debt. Spirit Airlines is in problems. Another carrier out of the US. Caribbean Airlines in problems. Suppose these airlines stop flying to Jamaica. What would happen to tourism in Jamaica? Because we need to get tourists here. Doesn't make sense you have a 1,000-room hotel if you cannot get tourists here to stay in the hotel. So it's something that the government seriously needs to consider. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening to Caribbean Airlines. Trinidad and Tobago's Prime Minister Camila Perced Bicesar has revealed that Caribbean Airlines, the state-owned carrier, is operating without a single profitable route and has failed to produce audited financial statements for the past 9 years. Speaking at a United National Congress meeting, Perced Bicesar expressed frustration at the airline's continued financial struggle despite high passenger volumes. The Prime Minister said millions have already been paid to two well-known accounting firms, yet CAL still has not delivered the overdue audited reports. She described the situation as unacceptable for a publicly funded entity. Perced Bicesar issued a 2-year ultimatum to CAL's management: get the airline's finances in order or face termination. The warning signals mounting political and economic pressure on CAL, which has faced years of losses linked to fuel costs, competition from low-cost carriers, and management controversies. The announcement also raises questions about the airline's long-term viability if profitability targets are not met. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.